Ellab supplies validation solutions to document the thermal processes in hospitals, food, and pharmaceutical industries. Validation of thermal processes requires very precise and reliable hardware, such as the TrackSense ProSky logger. The battery-driven self-contained logger measures temperature, pressure, and humidity and transmits the data real-time to the ValSuite validation software, where it can be accessed remotely with an app on your iPhone. The loggers are programmed and started in the TrackSense multi-reader, where up to 16 loggers can be programmed simultaneously. It is possible to have up to 128 loggers in a ValSuite session. During this study, the TrackSense ProSky loggers transmit real-time data using 2.4 GHz radio frequency communication with an Ellab proprietary secure protocol to the Sky access point. When the study is complete, all data has been stored in the encrypted ValSuite database. This is a ValSuite session with temperature and pressure data. Now it is time to make the analysis and print the reports. ValSuite Pro has user access management. Electronic signatures and activities are documented in the audit trail. The ValSuite software also has a web server. It is possible to access ValSuite sessions from computers with no ValSuite software installed. Just open the browser and enter the IP address shown in the ValSuite QR code, and it is possible to view sessions and reports. With the ValSuite app for iPhones, it is possible to access real-time data and reports on the computer. The ValSuite app can be downloaded from the Apple Store. Click on the QR code in ValSuite and start the ValSuite app. Push Scan QR code in the app. Now it is ready for operation. Push at Use this IP address and tap Sessions. A list of sessions with status symbols is shown. Sessions can be opened by tapping at Session Info, and further information turns up together with pre-generated reports. You can find reports like Graph and Audit Trail Report. If you push at Graph, a PDF file is opened. This PDF file is similar to the one in the ValSuite software on the computer. To make an online session with the TrackSense SkyLogger, the logger transmits data from the process via the Sky access point. Live data is shown both on the computer and on the app. To start, click on Super Quick Start for Sky on the computer. A reader station containing the loggers shows up. Click Start and the loggers are ready. Right now, data is transmitted from the logger to the server. The temperature sensor is applied with some heat, and immediately the temperature curve is rising. In the app, the session is active, online, and yellow. Click the Live button and see the min and max panel. Here is what's going online in a tabular form, like on the computer. Push Chart in the app and see the same online data in the chart. Stop the session. Look on the computer and click Read. The session is finished, and in the ValSuite app, the session is no longer yellow. When data is read, it's easy to print the reports from the PDF. The ValSuite app is also very useful for documentation. Take a picture of the process load. Click on the Use, and the picture is uploaded to the server. Then this picture is found in the picture library on the computer, and it can be used as documentation in the unit configuration report. Back to the ValSuite software. Here are all the reports. First report is a graph showing the whole process with all the data loggers shown as channels, and here is the unit report showing where the sensors have been placed in the load. With this schematic picture, it is easy to document where in the load the sensors were measuring. Finally, the validation report with saturated steam statistics and data can be printed or sent as a PDF to the manager of the department. We look forward to working with you.